Now let us discuss about characters, letters, digits and strings in Java programming language. So we shall start with the characters. Characters are basically the symbols that we see on the keyboard. For example, 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, plus, minus, dollar, at the rate, apostrophe, single quotes, double quotes, comma, dot, etc. All these are characters. Now the Java language categorizes all these characters into different categories. First of all, the letters. Letters are basically the English alphabets: small a, small b, small c, up to small z, capital A, capital B, capital C, up to capital Z. So at this stage, we have to differentiate between the small a and capital A, because we know that Java is case sensitive language, means there is a difference between lowercase letters and uppercase letters in Java. So small a is different than the capital A, small b is different than the capital B, and so on. Now digits. What are digits? Digits are basically the numeric symbols, numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. Up to 9. So total number of digits equals to 10. Other numbers are formed by using these digits. Then we have other characters. Other than letters and digits, all are other characters. Plus, minus, less than, dot, comma, curly braces, at the rate, and so on. All these are other characters. Now let us form a definition that every letter is a character, but every character is not a letter. Is it true or false? Or we can say every digit is a character, but every character is not a digit. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Now say A, B, C, these are letters, but they are also the characters. But 0, 1, 2, 3, these are digits as well as characters, but these are not letters. So when we are talking about characters, means we are talking in terms in general sense, that whatever the symbol that we find on the keyboard, they are characters. But when we are talking about letters, it means we are talking about lowercase letters or uppercase letters. When we are talking about digits, then we mean that 0, 1, 2, 3 or up to 9. When we are talking about other characters, we mean other than the digits and letters, they are the other characters. Students sometimes get confused with the letters and characters. What is a character? What is a letter? A is a letter. Is it a character or not? 0 is a digit, whether it is a character or not. And plus is a character or not. So with this presentation, it should be clear that what are letters, what are digits, and what are other characters. Now let us discuss about strings. A string is basically a combination of a sequence of characters. A string is one or more characters considered as a single value. Now one or more characters, it means characters, it may be a letter, it may be a digit, it may be a special character. So everything entered in a program or requested from the user or displayed as a series of characters is primarily a string. For example, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, it is a string. I love rainy season, it is a string. 2 plus 2 equals to 4, it is a string. Now 2 plus 2 equals to 4, all these are characters. They are taken in the general sense, so it is a string. A, it is a string. C equals to A asterisk B, it is a string. Whatever we enclose within double quotes, that is treated as a string. In the coming presentation, in the next presentation, we shall design a Java program where we shall use strings. To support strings, Java is equipped with a special class that we call the string class, and we will be using it in our Java program.